welcome to my brand new Clean and Decorate with Me for Christmas. Yes, I am so late and I actually still have a little more to do. Hopefully that video will be up on Wednesday, but today I just hung a wreath on my front door and cleaned and decorated my master bedroom. I hope you enjoy content like this. If you do, go ahead and click that subscribe button below.
Please jingle with me, darling. How much fun it's gonna be together. Now listen.
I did have to tackle some chores today, so I thought I would time-lapse me making the bed and folding the laundry so we can get into the fun stuff. Also, please ignore the dresser that's sitting in front of my bay windows. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I got that from IKEA and my husband and I successfully put it together. It will be going in my closet, but I'm not ready to film that quite yet, so that's why it's sitting there.
I love the winter weather, 'cause Christmas time is pulling us closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together. Oh, Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart.
I am using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaner in the Snowdrop scent to wipe down my furniture, and it smells incredible. If you have not tried it, I highly recommend it.
I'm gonna jingle with you now. How much fun it's gonna be together. Why do I care how much it rains snow? 'Cause I got my love to keep me warm. Why do I care how much
I tend to go more minimal and neutral with my decor, so I was really excited to find this silver garland. It's actually 2 strands. I got them at Michael's and I just linked them together.
closer to each other. Winter weather, now we can get together.
Oh, Christmas time is pulling me closer to your heart. Closer to your heart.
Yeah, closer to my heart.
Come on, I need to hear you now.
Jingle, jingle, jingle with me now.
Is anyone else out there a little late decorating for Christmas? I normally just put up a few things here and there. Usually we go to my aunt's house every year, the entire family. We spend the whole day there from brunch to dinner, and I don't have any children, so I usually don't feel the need to do a lot in my house since we don't spend the day here anyway. This year's a little different. We will be at home, so I did want to add a few more touches, and I was just curious to know if any of you are just now decorating. I know there's no set time that you have to, but most YouTubers got started a lot earlier.
Please, baby, please, baby, please. Winter weather, get together. Closer to your heart.
Most of my decor came from Home Goods and Michael's. This tray I ordered off of West Elm, but everything else pretty much came from those 2 places.
Everyone knows that Christmas should be white. Bing Crosby got that right. Oh, but I'm in Copacabana, tanning up for Santa. But I'm getting on a plane, a boat, or a train. I'm setting a new course, bearing straight due north. Santa, hold on. Santa, hold on.
I do have a candle that I think I'm going to end up adding to this dresser next to our wedding picture. Other than that, that's all I'm putting on here. Again, I am super simple, so I just wanted to bring in the kind of silver and white touch over here as well.
I'm not gonna
I just had one piece of fall decor on my nightstand. There was nothing on my husband's side, and I've got a few other things on here, so it felt kind of crowded. So I just wanted to give them a good wipe down, but I did not put any Christmas decor on either one this time. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I know it doesn't look like a lot of other people's homes where they have it just decked out to the max. I do like seeing those, but again, it's just not me. So I hope you like getting ideas for simple touches as well. I am just cleaning up this mirror and I will be vacuuming, and then I will do a once over so you guys can see the finished product. And if you are enjoying this, please don't forget to subscribe so you can join my family, because I would love to have you.
I'm writing Christmas postcards out by the pool. It's 70 degrees in the shade and the breeze is cool. Yeah. Even though we don't get snow, I still think it's the place to go, where the weather outside doesn't get frightful. It just stays warm and delightful. That's Christmas time in LA. In LA. Don't you know I'm loving it? Christmas time in LA. Can't you see they're pumping out snowflakes down at the Grove? If that's your thing, it's Christmas time in LA.
In just a minute, I'll give you a quick once over. I would love to know your opinion down in the comments. My husband absolutely loved it. His reaction was so sweet, and that made me feel really good. I was going for kind of a winter wonderland feel, and hopefully I accomplished that, but let me know your opinion. And that's gonna do it for today. Again, I will try to have the rest of the Christmas decor up for you on Wednesday. I love you guys so much. Thank you for spending the time with me, because I never take it for granted. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.